The petrochemical industry produces sludge and waste oil that were dumped in sludge lagoons until recently. Due to the serious impact on the environment and sustainability, there's a great need for companies that treat such waste and provide solutions. Ecomat, an advanced company in the manufacture of industrial equipment, presents its mobile system for the recovery, revaluation and cleaning of waste from oil tanks and lagoons. We're backed by more than 20 years of experience implementing technology that's proven to be extremely safe, with which we simplify and automate processes. To use the most advanced fluid suction and separation method on the market, we deploy the equipment in containers, approved for sea and land transport. We transport them under the strictest safety conditions to potentially hazardous environments and atmospheres, while complying with European regulations. The system is extremely efficient and flexible, thanks to its ability to adapt to different tanks and layouts, to different compositions of waste, and naturally, due to the fact that it is completely customized for the customer. The reaction tank facilitates the screening and pre-treatment of the sludge before it's sent to the centrifuge unit, homogenizing the product and screening out solid particles. The sludge cleaning robot system comes with a submersible robot that enables the collection, suction and removal of sludge from oily sludge lagoons. Once the robot is placed inside, using its tracks, it moves along the entire surface to clean, sucking up the sludge, pumping it into a preparation container called the reaction tank, while the operator controls the entire process by radio frequency or cable, which is the safest system for operators and the environment. In the reaction tank unit, the sludge is screened and pre-treated to homogenize it for easier treatment. The homogenized sludge is then pumped into the centrifuge module, where it's separated into 3 phases: water, oil and solids. This minimizes waste, recovers hydrocarbons and converts them into recoverable materials. We control and customize the process to make it as safe as possible for the operator, and we carry out a highly effective commissioning strategy that sets Ecomat apart from other manufacturers. Ecomat cleaning system sets a new standard for the safe treatment of toxic waste, oil and sludge, making it possible for their recovery, as well as the return on investment for our customers.